Welcome guys. So let's start with our Selenium download. So when I say Selenium, you should know one thing that Selenium is not a tool. It's just a collection of some jar files. And I see most of the people say Selenium is a tool and people they expect this Selenium tool looks like this. Okay. So as of now, what is our goal? Our goal is we have to download selenium jars, and after that we have to add those jar to our project. Okay, so let's start with our selenium download. Let's go to Google and type selenium download. Okay, so when you type selenium download, you can see a website seleniumhq.org, which is their official website. Okay, so when you click on that, you can see some languages, like whatever language you are using, you are wishing to write your selenium script, you can get here. You can get Java, you can get C sharp, you can get Ruby, Python, JavaScript. Okay, and one more thing, see, here you can get all those details about selenium, and all the details about selenium are documented here. If there are major changes, you can get it here. Only you have to check all those things whatever they have documented here, correct? And here you can attend selenium conference also. Last year I have attended, and it was in Berlin last year, and this year it is in London. Ticket is around 600 pounds, or most, I guess it is 650 or 600 pounds. Okay, so we don't have to think about that. Let's come to the point. So currently what we have to do, what language we are using? We are using Java. Okay, and here you can get client version, and these versions are keep on changing for every week. So whenever they come up with the update version, you can see that versions are changing, right? So you don't have to worry about versions. Whatever versions you will get, please download, and you can see whatever changes they have made. All those things are documented here, as I mentioned earlier. So now what we have to do, now we have to download this Java Selenium jars download. Okay, just click on that. Whenever you will click on it, you can see a zip file which is downloading. So since I have already downloaded this Java Selenium jars in my machine, so let's go to the location where I have downloaded. In this location I have downloaded, see, Selenium Java 3.141.59. You can get this file in a zip format. You will have to unzip that zip file. Okay, since I have already unzip that file, let's go to that file. This is the file. You can get that file which looks like this. Okay, so just click on that and you can see some Java file. Just take your cursor on that and you can see the type of that file is executable jar file. Okay, here you can get two jar files, and if you go to the library file you can get around 4 to 5 jar file. Okay, so now we are successfully downloaded Selenium Java jar file. Now what we have to do, next thing we have to do, we have to add these jar files to our project. That means by using this jar file, or you can say by forming a connection to this project, we will run our Selenium test cases. Okay, and it's very unlightweight. Okay, so let's add this jar file to our project. Let's create a new project. I'll show you again how to create a Java project. If you don't know, please watch my previous videos, you can get to know. And I'll give the name intro. Click on next. This is source file, click on finish. So once you click on finish, you can see a new project name is intro. Okay, expand this, you can get, okay, any issue? No. Yes, if you expand this, you can see one Java library file which is automatically preloaded, and one source file. Just click on source file and create a class which we can say as test cases, right? So I'll give the name demo. Click on public static void main and finish. And this is our test cases, or we can say a class file. So now we are ready to go. We are ready to go, and we have our class file. And now what we have to do, we have to connect, we have to add those jar files whatever we have downloaded, we have to add to this project. Okay, so now how we will add? Okay, just right click on your project, which is intro, and come down, click on properties. You can see properties. Just click on that. Once you click on that, you can see properties for your project. Okay, just click on Java build path. So once you click on Java build path, you can see a pop up named Java build path, and see our preloaded Java jar file which is already present here. So our goal is, here we have to add all those selenium jar files. Okay, just click on add external jars and find where is your those jar files. See, out of library files we have two jar files. Add those two, and again you click on add external jars and go inside library files and add control A all those jar files. Okay, remember one thing, you should not leave a single jar file. If you leave a single jar file, your script will not run. Definitely it will not run. Okay, see, now we have successfully added all those jar files in our project. Okay, so just click on apply and close. Once you click on apply and close, let me close our old project. Yes, so once you click on add, now you can see our jar files here, whatever we have downloaded. See, inside our class file you can get one new library files name referenced library, and if you can see all those Java files, whatever we have jar files, whatever we have downloaded. Okay, so now, and these are the Java library files which is preloaded. So now we have successfully added our selenium jar file to our project. So now if you want to run, or if you want to write your selenium script, it will successfully run. Definitely it will successfully run. If you follow my all these steps, definitely it will not you know feel complex, or it will definitely run. Trust me, it will definitely run. So in this video I have explained how to add selenium jars to your project, how to give knowledge to your project that it is a selenium script you are going to run. Okay, so I guess I am clear with my point. If you are not getting my point, please comment below, and if you want to connect with me directly, please email me pratikkumarnag@gmail.com. Okay, yeah, so in my next video I'll show you how to launch Google in your browser. Okay, so thank you, see you in my next video.